Hi, today I'm going to tell you about what to expect from Wall Street. The benchmark S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are subdued as higher treasury yields pressure equities, while investors designed commentary from Federal Reserve officials to ascertain the outlook of interest rate cuts. Data showed the number of people in the United States filing new claims for unemployment benefits was unchanged at low levels last week, pointing to continued labor market strength. U.S. Treasury yields continued to move higher after the data with yield on the 10-year note last at 4.62%. Meanwhile, New York Fed President John Williams said, "There is no pressing case to lower interest rates right now." Most of the data this week shows the economy is still firing on all cylinders. That's going to be a challenge for the Fed's rate-cutting plans, and it could continue to weigh on the stock market rally, said Chris Larkin, Managing Director, Trading and Investing at E-Trade from Morgan Stanley. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are poised to log their fifth straight day of losses as investors remain jittery about the Fed's interest rate outlook. Money markets are pricing in about 40 bps of rate cuts this year, down from about 150 bps at the start of the year, according to LSEG data. Investors will now keenly listen to remarks from Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic later in the day. Adding to losses, Tesla slipped 3.1% after Deutsche Bank downgraded its rating on the stock to hold from buy. Some upbeat earnings updates, however, cushioned losses, with D.R. Horton up 3.2% after the U.S. home builder raised its annual revenue forecast as tight housing supply boosted sales. Alaska Air Group gained 2.6% after forecasting current quarter profit above estimates. Elevance Health added 4.1% after the health insurer reported quarterly profit above Wall Street estimates and slightly raised its annual earning forecast. In early trading on Thursday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 145.40 points, or 0.39%, at 37,898,000.71. The S&P 500 was up 4.26 points, or 0.08%, at 5,026.47, and the Nasdaq Composite was down 12.80 points, or 0.08%, at 15,670.57. Of the 11 S&P 500 sector, 3 traded in the red, with information technology amongst top losers with a 0.3% dip. Among other stocks, Las Vegas Sands Corp lost 8% after brokerages cut their prices targets on the casino operator due to weakness in its Macau operations. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners by a 1.45 to 1 ratio on the New York Stock Exchange. Declining issues outnumbered advancers for a 0.20 to 0 ratio on the Nasdaq. The S&P index recorded 1 new 52-week high and 7 new lows, while the Nasdaq recorded 8 new highs and 125 new lows. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave your comments and thumb ups.